Today, you guys, we're going to be doing some chicken breast fillets on the Pit Boss Laredo 1000. First, I'm going to open up the package. Now we're going to cut some of this little excess fat off. Get a little uniform cut here. Alright, now we're putting this meat on here. Here. Alright, we're going to let this thing go for about 10 minutes and then come back and check on it. Alright guys, getting ready to flip this meat over now. There's a couple of grill marks on there. Yep, let it go for about another 10 minutes. I think it's about ready. Let's get some little grill marks on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, it's about ready. I think we're done here too. That's about right. Take them off. Alright, let's take a bite of this one. You can see them juices. Nice and juicy. Look at there, look at that juice coming out of there. I think we did another one for the win. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.